Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Simplify 5p times 9k. So first we multiply the coefficients. We have 5 times 9, that's 45. And we have p times k, which is just pk. So you can write here 45pk. Simplify 3e plus 2f plus 8e minus 7f. So we can put all the like terms together first. We have 3e plus 8e plus 2f minus 7f, and we can see that 3e plus 8e is 11e, and we have 2f minus 7f, so that's negative 5f. So finally we have 11e minus 5f. Solve 2d plus 7 is equal to 16. We can bring 7 to the other side to isolate d, so we have 2d is equal to 16 minus 7, and then we can divide by 2 to isolate d. So we have 16 minus 7, which is 9, and we divide it by 2, so we have d is equal to 4.5. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.